The National Weather Service in Neobritia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Crowhollow County in central Tuscarora Island, Foxhollow County in central Tuscarora Island, central Sundance County in central Tuscarora Island, until 1:45 a.m. Tidal Daylight Time. At 11:19 p.m. Tidal Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northeast of Harvestfield, or 12 miles southwest of Kettlebank, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Sundance, Foxhollow, and Crowhollow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.